So, ayan na nga. I was trying to, gumagawa ako ng face scrub using coffee. Actually, it's a coffee scrub. So, I just used honey and sweet almond oil. Yan. Tapos, scrub it on your face. And that's it. So, I hope everyone should try it. At saka yan, when you put it on your face, pwede mong makain. Kasi it's all natural. So, walang halong chemical yan. So, that's sweet almond oil and honey. And, ang ganda niya sa mukha, mga besh. Kaya, try nyo. I-check nyo lang yung consistency. Okay? There you go.